Change line spacing to save space or customize your document. To change the line spacing for the entire document, select Design, Paragraph Spacing. Hover over each option to preview it. For single spacing, select No Paragraph Space. For double, select Double. To change the line spacing for part of your document, select the paragraph of your choice. Select Home, Line and Paragraph Spacing for the spacing you want. To customize your spacing, select Line Spacing Options. Let's change the spacing before and after a paragraph. Want to make this the default spacing for new documents? Select Set as Default, All Documents based on the normal template. OK.